So we're going to do a series of videos just showing you around the workshop so you can see how things are done and how we do it. A quick workshop tour, roughly in order of things. So we've got our timber ready, planed up, ready for our doors. Frames, a lot of tulip, a lot of maple. There will also be some oak and walnut here. Then the materials go down through the different machines to get made into. So yeah, the guys get a cut list from the raw materials or from the timber. They get a cut list. They then cut everything to length. They then groove and tenon everything. And it goes down a bit further. It goes onto the clamping table, so everything's bang on square, clamped and glued, and then it goes into finishing. CNC, which cuts most of our panels, but we still cut our door panels on the saw. We also use it to shoot the doors into the frames. I love it. Massive. Doors and frames, they get painted in the spray booth. They then go through here. And they get hung up to dry, so we can paint both sides at once. They then go through this process a few times to get different coats on, and finally they go into their colour. And they get hung up on their colour coat. Once they're dry, they get shipped down to the last workshop, which I'll show you in a minute. So in here we keep all kitchens that aren't being painted or haven't been painted yet. We try and control the moisture and the temperature in here, so we don't get any movement.